Hey guys, just wanted to show you how to assemble the TPU tires and rims, Doctory's TPU tires and rims. You're gonna have two halves. Okay, that's gonna be your rim. All right, and go ahead and insert a what is it? Sorry, it's way too early. The morning, a bearing. All right, you can go ahead and use a skateboard, and I would actually push it in a little bit. I made a tolerance so it's not too loose. All right, do that for both ends. Let me take this one out. Okay, go ahead and push it in. It's all the way in. If it's a little wobbly, that's fine. When you screw in at the end, it should straighten out. Leave that board alone. And these are gonna fit. They're directional, so it's gonna go the opposite way when your board's opposite. So this one is gonna be on my right. So I'm gonna put the smaller one where the logo isn't. And put it like that, and it's a pretty tight fit. It's a cylindrical design for right now. The reason why I didn't put like slots to hold the tire in place, just in case things starts breaking, it's not gonna break. It's simply gonna slide around. I haven't had any problems where the rim actually slides around, so I just left it there, but I can always change it later. Go ahead and insert a spacer, and you can see the spacer spacing is very tight, right, which is good, which keeps everything on the skateboard. And you're gonna go ahead and simply slide this in, and it's a perfect fit. All right. If the holes are not aligned, just go ahead and use a Allen wrench and just move it around like that. You'll see the holes are aligned. Next, you're gonna need a 40mm M5 nylon nuts. Now I designed them so you put 6 of them, but I have had 0 problems putting just 2 of them. So they're very durable. All right, go ahead and put a nut in there. I designed it so the nut fits just in there. So you should be able to just tap it in there, but just screw it in. Now I do recommend hand tightening the end because you can strip the nuts, but if you hand tighten it, it's not going to strip it at all. And there we go. And I may have over-engineered this part. I'm thinking about actually using M4 nuts, but I mean they're very, very strong. There's no way the hubs can come off, or the rims can come off. See how it fits in nicely there? Alright, I made the slot for it, it won't move. Right. So if you put 6 of these, I think it will be an overkill, but if we're talking more powerful wheels, it might make sense. But definitely the rims are never going to come apart. They're made from ABS. It's actually 100% infill for the stronger parts, and then 40% for the fatter parts. You don't need to do 100% infill with 3D printing because at almost 40%, your strength is near 85–90%, which actually means you gain save weight. So this is 120mm. It weighs about 270 grams right now, and it's even lighter than the 105mm cloud wheel. Yet it's bigger. It's way lighter than the 120mm. Yeah, it's way lighter, so that's an advantage. Another thing I'm working on is you can also use threaded inserts. So these holes are a little big, but I found that they were weak, so that's why I stopped using it. The thread would what is it? They would get stripped. So I think the original design with the M5 nuts is good. 5 of these, great. But like I said, I've been testing my wheels because, you know, I'm switching wheels every single day and I don't want to be taking out 6 hex nuts. So I just used 2 and they work just fine with just 2. So that's how durable they are. Anyway, I want to show you how it fits. And then as far as the ABEC mount, it's a push fit. You don't have to put it on the other side. Just push it in and it's a perfect fit. Now there is a little bit of gap that will go away once you screw it down. Actually, let me show you that too. Like you can see in the works. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the belt. So let me grab this belt here. Also for this particular model, you'll need to take the belt covers off because I made it big. But I did have an earlier design that has an offset that you can still use it, but you get less tread. So if you want to maximize it, I just recommend to not use a belt cover. You really don't need it. Belt cover really doesn't do anything. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and screw in tight. And this is today's model. Screw it tight and then loosen maybe half a turn. And we're ready to go. Oh, maybe a little bit more. You know what? I think I forgot to put a motor in. Oh darn, it's okay. So you can see it's on there, and you can see there's no more space there. Oops, there. So I'm ready to go. Have a great day. Those are Dr. East TPU rims and tires for your electric skateboard.